Hello, I'm James Whitfield. I am a recent alum and researcher at Clark Atlanta University's dual degree engineering program. And since fall of 2022, I have been an IBM ambassador on campus. This video is going to cover the registration process for the IBM SkillsBuild program, specifically how you get started with your first course, so creating your IBM ID, what that registration process looks like, and then actually going into the course, answering a couple questions, and then starting your journey to get your bachelor's. To give a brief overview of IBM SkillsBuild, this is a program that allows high school and college students as well as faculty to gain certified badges on various different technology topics and interests. To get started on your IBM SkillsBuild journey, you're actually going to start with these links that were provided to you by either your faculty or by your student ambassadors on campus. So you see my screen here, I have 3 different courses identified, and I have links to each one of these. So your ambassador or faculty on campus should have provided you these links, and if not, please reach out to them. These links will take you directly to the SkillsBuild program for registration, and then they will link your account to your institution. Those links will take you to the IBM SkillsBuild landing page where you're prompted to log in if you already have an IBM ID. In this case, you're going to be making one though. So go ahead and click this button here, the sign up link right underneath the login buttons. So go ahead and click sign up with email at the bottom here. And then just keep in mind that we'll be using our institutional email. So for me at Clark, that'll be cau.edu. It may be like students.cu.edu, students. Whatever your institution is, .edu. But make sure it is tied to your university. So now we have our sign up form where you're gonna just fill in your basic information, first name, last name, email, and then set your password. And once you filled in that form, go ahead and hit submit. Then that's gonna go through and create your IBM ID. Once you hit submit, it's going to then send an email to your email address that you put in to set up multi-factor authentication. So go ahead and check your email, and that email that they're sending you looks like this. So they give you a passcode that you're going to have to input. Go ahead and copy that over. Hit submit. Once you put in that code, you'll be navigated to the profile setup page. So here you're going to fill in some basic information about your account, set your country and your location. It's going to ask you about some additional information, your age, why you're using the platform, can they send you emails. Go ahead and accept all the terms and conditions, and then hit submit. And you'll get a prompt telling you that your account is being created, and you'll be automatically navigated into the SkillsBuild program. It'll take you straight to the course that you selected with your links. You saw for me, I did getting started with artificial intelligence, and then now I'm on that SkillsBuild page for that course. So now we're on the course summary page for whatever course you ended up choosing. So if we scroll down the page here, we get a quick summary of the course and the different modules that come along with the course. So this first one here covers Credly. Credly is the service that you would use to be able to receive your credential once you complete the course. We'll set that up in a second here. And then if we keep scrolling down here, we'll see that there are actually 3 modules for a given course. So to be able to complete that course and get your badge, you have to complete these 3 modules: the introduction to AI, introduction to LLMs, and then the mastering the art of prompting. You see that it also includes the amount of time each module is going to take. So you see the first one here estimated about an hour and 15 minutes, second one 30 minutes, third one's an hour. So in total it's going to be about 3 hours start to finish for the getting started with AI badge. And then after that it goes into how you actually receive the badge. So claiming that credential once you've completed the course, and then making sure that your credential is available to you on Credly. So we have the course info here, but you're not actually in the course yet. So what you want to do is on the right side of your screen, there's a blue enroll button. Go ahead and click that, and that's going to enroll this learning plan into your account. And now that you've done that, now that you've created your account, now that you've enrolled in the course, you can start the course. So let's just scroll back down to the modules that we saw earlier. And we'll start with the first one. So Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. It'll pull up information on that module, what that module includes. Go ahead and hit go to activity, this blue button on the right. And then that's going to begin the course and load your module. So we see for this course, the first module is what is artificial intelligence. They step through about 6 different sections, and there's a quiz at the end of the module. So the way this works is each module has a very short quiz at the end of that section that reviews what you just went over. So once you've completed all those modules, there'll be a final assessment that covers all of the modules at once and just tests to make sure that you understood the information you just read through. Going back to the course summary page, you want to make sure you set up your Credly account. So if you go to this first module here, for creating a Credly account, go ahead and click on that. It takes you to this page. Go ahead and hit go to activity. And this is going to step you through creating a Credly account to make sure that you can actually get your digital credential once you complete your course. So we're going to go to credly.com. They have a link listed on the page here. And then on Credly, you'll have to make an account to make sure that you can store your digital credentials somewhere. And this can be done immediately, or it can be done after you finish the course. You can use any email for the Credly account because this is not specific to your institution. So I would suggest using whatever personal, professional email you use. This is for your use on social media, like your LinkedIn, or on your personal website, or on your resume. So make sure that you have access to it regardless of the institution. So just to give an example, as you complete the course, they'll check them off within the learning plan. You can see here that the module for creating a Credly account is now being completed. It'll give you a green check. And then as you complete these courses, it'll do the same for those all the way through. And once you've completed all of them, that's when you'll be able to claim your credential. Now that you have your Credly login, the first time that you get a badge, it'll ask you to log in so you can claim it. And then after that, it'll try to auto-claim it to that same account. So to see how it looks like once you've completed one, this is my getting started with data credential that I have on a different account. And you see here, we have all of our modules checked off, creating a Credly account, going through each module within the course and the credential information. Once you complete that course, that credential will be tied to your IBM account, but then also your Credly. So if we're on IBM SkillsBuild, for example, we want to see our credentials, you can go to progress up here, click on earn digital credentials. It'll give you a list of your credentials, and then it'll show you, and then you're able to click on one and it'll show you the details, much like it does here for that badge. On the Credly side of things, this is how it's going to look. So you have your badge here issued by IBM SkillsBuild, and then it gives you options to share that badge. So you can send it over email, you can download an image version of it, a document version of it, or send out a link directly to it that you can post on LinkedIn or your resume, proving that you've completed the course. All right, so that pretty much wraps it up. The IBM SkillsBuild is free to use, free to access for students and faculty. I definitely recommend getting started as soon as you can. And again, once you get your certificate, please put those on LinkedIn, please put them on your social medias, put them on your websites. Recruiters love to see those, and it'll definitely make you stand out in application processes. Once you have the credentials, there are internship opportunities tailored specifically for IBM SkillsBuild students on ParkerDuty. So you can make an account on ParkerDuty.com and you can apply for IBM SkillsBuild specific internships. So make sure you talk with your IBM ambassadors on campus, talk with your faculty, make sure you have the proper links to the courses, and then go ahead and get started. There are plenty of other courses you can take on the IBM SkillsBuild platform as well, ranging from things like data science in general to AI to cybersecurity, things like web development, web design, as well as things like learning JavaScript or GitHub. There's even less technical courses on things like professional skills and design thinking. So explore the platform. Make sure you sign up via the link that's given to you by your ambassador or your faculty to make sure your account is tied to your university. But then after that, go ahead and get started, learn some new things, get some digital credentials, and have fun.